Welcome to Crypto Magnet community. Today we will going to create another video tutorial using Ethereum Bank to provide help. So before we are going to start anything else, let me remind you guys that in every transaction in Crypto Magnet, we need to purchase at least one passport if we are going to use Crypto Bank, and one micro passport if we choose to PH using Ethereum Bank. So everything should be done first by purchasing passport. Once all the purchased passport has been credited into your account, it will reflect here for Crypto Passport, and then for Micro Crypto Pass, it will reflect also here. So once you've done those process, you can easily provide help in these two options, which is Crypto Bank and Ethereum Bank. So as I said or I mentioned earlier, we are going to provide help using Ethereum Bank. So we need to click this button, Pledge New Micro PH or Micro Provide Help. Then at the next page, you can see the message saying that you can provide help in Ethereum using 0.1 up to 30 Ethereum. So as you can see here, there is the denomination up to 5 Ethereum, but you can provide help up to 30 Ethereum, but you need to add up another micro passport. So as I said, we're going to create the video tutorial for this features. So since we are here already, we need to click this button for the option that we wanted to do. So we are going to use the maximum account, which is 5 Ethereum. And then after that one, pledge new PH or new MPH. So there's the message reflecting saying, by agreeing to accept, your micro crypto pass will automatically deducted for micro provide help. So once you confirm this process, automatically the page will going to bring it here. So that's it, guys. So we are on queue now, waiting for the matching of our page in Ethereum Bank. So probably it will take how many days for us to receive an assignment. Then make sure to pay the specific amount you pledge PH during this process. So as you can see here, the micro passport also already deducted in our account. So the PH has been waiting for matching. So I hope this video tutorial that I created today will going to help you out, guys, to execute the task of providing help using Ethereum Bank. Welcome to Crypto Magnet community.